Welcome back to Deuce McCamper's Diecast Racing and Sometimes Fish. Today we got a couple of Greenlight Hollywood exclusive cars from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Up first we've got the 1972 Ford Club Wagon. So let's get them out of there and take a closer look. Pokey poke. Careful not to slice anything off. Very nice. The protector and the protector. Now we got it. Okay. So first is a 72 Ford Club Wagon. Really cool. Dust covered windows that actually doesn't wipe off. Pretty cool. Metal base and a metal body. Simulated dust on everything. So Greenlight does a really good job with the details. I'll give them that. Good stuff. Alright, so there's the wagon. Up next we've got 1971 C-10 with leather face. Let's get them out of there and take a closer look. Definitely for the adult collector. These Greenlights. I always pull out my trusty razor and get these guys open. Ooh, that's a nice one. Look at that. I do believe, oh yes, I don't know how well you can see that, but definitely if you're a CSI, you could light this truck up because it's got some simulated blood splatter in the back. Let's see. Oh, let me get in the camera there. Kind of hard to see what that one actually says, but really good attention to detail. Very cool. And this one has the extra added bonus of having a little figure in there. Let's see if we can get him out of there. Have a quick look at him as well. If my battery doesn't die, because we are getting close. He's a little bit trickier to get this guy out of there, but maybe I should get the chainsaw. Where's Stripe when you need him? Got him out. Ooh, there we go. Rawr. Sometimes if I put something behind the camera, it'll help it focus, but there we go. This is awesome. Oh, really? Come on out. I won't hurt you. So there you have it. Greenlight exclusive Texas Chainsaw Massacre vehicles and Leatherface. Gotta love it. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.